Affordable, tough and easy to use, the 65L is an industrial dehumidifier that combines portability with outstanding performance, all backed up by Restoration Express's national support service. With the capability to remove up to 65 litres of moisture a day, it saves you time and money, and it helps you deliver great service to your customers. There's a hot gas bypass for low temperature defrost and a humidistat as standard to stop over-drying. Other features include automatic pump out, easy to clean air filter, low noise and compatibility with standard exhaust hoses. The Capture 65L is easy to transport with 2-position, lockable telescopic handles and toughened semi-pneumatic wheels, and it has an operating temperature of +5 to +35 degrees centigrade. Used with Restoration Express's Helix air mover to speed up evaporation and collect moisture, the 65L has a significant effect on drying times. The Capture 65L dehumidifier from Restoration Express, offering trusted technology for testing situations built on decades of research and development to deliver quality, affordability and performance.